Hello, I'm Dee Woolridge, award-winning author, international speaker, and success coach. I'm also a certified clinical hypnotherapist, and a common question I get is, can anyone be hypnotized? And the answer is yes. In the late 1950s, Stanford University learned through subsequent studies that any person with normal intelligence can be hypnotized. However, some are more easily hypnotized than others. The person must want to be hypnotized. Hypnosis is a natural, though altered state of mind, and everyone goes through natural, altered states of hypnosis several times a day, like when you're driving and you pass your turnoff, or before you fall asleep. Hypnosis is simply an exaggerated or a hyper state of focus and relaxation. Therefore, most people can enter into a hypnotic relaxation easily, provided they want to. If you'd like more information, you can find it on my website. Again, I'm Dee Woolridge, author, speaker, coach, and certified clinical hypnotherapist.